Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this topic we will clear our understanding about scalars and vectors. Scalars are also known as scalar quantities and vectors are also known as vector quantities. In first chapter we discussed about physical quantities and we studied that physical quantities are grouped into two categories like base quantities and derived quantities. These base quantities and derived quantities are further classified into scalar quantities and vector quantities. Now, physical quantities are categorized into two groups, scalars and vectors. Now, what are scalar quantities? Physical quantities which can be completely described by magnitude and proper unit are called scalar quantities. For example, when we say 20 kilogram mass of sugar, so 20 is magnitude, which is a number, and kg is a unit. Now we don't need to tell the direction with the mass of sugar. We only tell the magnitude and a proper unit, and the shopkeeper understands what we want. Other units of scalar quantities are distance, time, intensity, and speed. Now, the second category of quantities, physical quantities, are vector quantities. Now, physical quantities which can be completely described by magnitude, proper unit, and direction are called vector quantities. For example, when we say that Islamabad lies, or just we can simply say that 3 kilometers of displacement to west. So 3 is magnitude, kilometer is unit, and west is direction. In other words, vector quantities are those quantities which needs direction along with magnitude and a proper unit. Without direction, we cannot completely describe vector quantities. The other examples of vector quantities are force, velocity, and weight. Now, when we try to push a car, so we apply the force in specific direction. When we want to open a door with some force, we apply that force in a specific direction because force is a vector quantity. So these vector quantities are the quantities which are incomplete without direction, right? Scalars do not need direction. Thank you.